Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your product key or the key for your Office or for your Microsoft Office 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here we are just going to follow these support articles of Microsoft. And basically here we are going to learn where you can find your product key or your office key. And basically it really depends on the versions that you are using. And as you can see here, for uh, many versions or for almost all the versions, you want to be able to find your product key uh, in your product, for example, as in your Office apps for security reasons. Otherwise, you can simply go to your email, and that, of course, if you are the administrator of your organization or you are an individual and you have your office, and basically you will be able to do it by going to your Microsoft account. So basically, you will be needing just to go to your Microsoft account and connect with your app, and basically you will be needing just to go to subscription, and from there in the subscription you'll find all your subscription. So basically here I already had like this Game Pass, and this is like I have this Office um, subscription, and basically it has been expired, and you will be able, like for example, to manage it or resubscribe for this Office, etc. And basically, if you had like a subscription and you want just like to add it into your Office, you will be needing to simply just connect to your Office's app with your accounts, this one. And basically, by connecting to your account or dedicated account, you will be able like to add this product key or to be able to use like the full version of these Office apps. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.